Imagine the best data isn't sitting in Excel. It's all over the internet, hiding in websites, and we are going to grab it ourselves. Hello everyone, welcome to our first video of the web scraping playlist. Today we will talk about what is web scraping and why it is useful for the data analyst and how it helps with real projects and research. So, what is web scraping? Think of it like this. You tell Python to go a website and find the stuff you want, like laptop prices. Let me type laptop. Or you can say, tell Python to go to a news title like this and bring it back to your file like a CSV or a Excel. It's like having a robot helper. For example, say you need prices of 100 laptop from the Flipkart. Doing it by hand takes hours and hours. Clicking this and then copying this price. But with web scraping, you will write a small script in Python, run it, and in seconds you have got everything, like hundreds of information of all the laptops. You can even make it check prices every day, keep tracking. Like we can make our script like that, it will check the prices of the laptops daily and do comparison for us. So why do we need it? Now, can't I just download it data like from somewhere? If we type laptop prices data current something like that, and we will get proper data, isn't it? We can do that way. Well, the good stuff isn't always ready-made. You won't find it in a nice file waiting for you like in an Excel or a CSV file. Imagine another example. Let's take imagine 5,000 job listing with salaries and location from Indeed. Suppose we go to the website of Indeed and there are more than 5,000 job listing and their location. So we can't uh, check each job posting every time. Instead, we can use web scraping here, and suppose we will type like, and suppose here we will type data analyst somewhere Bangalore. So Python can scrape all the job listing from all the pages, and you can choose the job according to your fit, your location. If you have all the data in your Excel sheet, then you can just filter out the jobs in Bangalore according to anything like you want. So the data is out there on the web, but no one hands it over. So we take it ourselves with web scraping. You choose what to grab, how to fix it up, when to update it, and it perfect for making dashboard, building machine learning projects, or just skipping boring copy and paste work. So what web scraping do? It helps us to collect real world data. And how? Now the big question is how it works. It is not complicated. Here's the basic idea. Like we use Python, a tool called request to ask a website like, hey, give me your page. Like we have a user which uses Python. It goes to the website. Let me change the color. It goes to the website and then website send back its code. Suppose in the HTML format the website responded. Then we will use libraries like Beautiful Soup to dig the part that we need from that code, like prices or titles, and we will pull it out and clean it up and save it in a file, Excel or a CSV. And that's how we got the data. That's it, like the treasure hunt. And in the next videos we will do it together on real websites. We will see how easy it gets. We will also see like how to fetch research information from the Wikipedia pages for the next big projects, or we will use it for shopping. We can use it for job finding, or similarly we can use it for social media also. Sorry for the bad handwriting, but we can use it for the social media, like collect hashtag or post information if you need. Now another question that must or that should be in your mind: is it ethical or legal? One thing to know that not every website likes being scraped. Before we start, check its um, robot.txt file. It's like a rule book. If it says don't do it, then don't. Also, don't send a multiple request at once. That can mess up the websites and get you blocked. Sometimes what happens, if we keep on calling, suppose here on the Indeed, if we keep on sending the request to the website multiple times um, within a few seconds, so then the websites will block. Ultimately the website will block us. So we will see all of this part, how to do, what to do, and then in the next videos, coming videos of this playlist, um, we will use tools like Selenium. These are most classical: Selenium and Beautiful Soup libraries for the web scraping. We will see how to use them as a pro. We can also fetch images from the website, um, and we can make projects for this, because it is a very practical use case, and most of the companies hire data analysts to do such jobs like web scraping, collect data, so that the data can be used later on in any machine learning problem or anything to find out the insights. So fetching data across the web is a necessary skill, and you must have it. So by the end of the playlist, we will have own set of tools, scripts and ideas which is ready to use. Now, web scraping is like a superpower for data analyst. So if you are in like boring task and pull information from the web, let's start learning together. Then at the end, we will also see how can we automate this. This is a personal thing which I am working on, to make AI agents to scrape the websites automatically, to scrape the data for me automatically. We will see what advancement has been done till now. So that's it for the today. If you are in, please follow along with us and don't miss it. Thank you.